Hey everyone, this is Ken from Ken's Metal Detecting Tips, Tricks, and Finds. And I wanted to do a quick video on problems I've been having with the Garrett Pro Pointer AT Pro Pointer. And the problem is that, eating batteries, you replace these about every four or five trips, and that's $1.50, or more, $2 for if you get them on Amazon for the alkali batteries, and that eats into your profits. So I thought I gotta do something about that, and also to be greener. So decided to go with these here. I did a lot of research, and everyone's raving about these Tenergy. These are the metal hydrate batteries, Ni-MH, and 9 volts. Been using these ones from Amazon. You get like a pack of 9 or 12 of them, but they're still expensive, and because you have to replace them after so long. One thing too, the Garrett Pro Pointer will start to beep every like 10 seconds, like that, and it tells you to replace the battery. Or if it starts doing goofy stuff and you're like, this thing's not working right, well, it's probably the battery. The problem with the ones built-in battery, like some of the newer ones that just came out on the market, those you have to charge up, and if you're in the process of using them, like Austin found out on his live feed today, you have to use basically whatever you got in your metal detector. If you don't have a backup like I do, this is a cheapy GP style, which is pathetically slow. It won't even pick up real fast, but it's better than nothing. So it's good to have a backup. So anyway, on these particular here, it comes with a charger, and you can charge 2 at a time. There's that red light, and then it'll turn green when it's charged. That pops up to plug into the wall, and you just plug them in like that. If there's reverse polarity protected, so if you accidentally hit the wrong way, it's not going to blow anything up. So don't worry about that. So just like so, plug it into the wall, and you're all good to go. 2.2 hours is what it says on the back here of charge time. So this is a 900 milliamp. They do make 300s, but some of those you're going to pay a whole lot more for, and sometimes it's a lot of hype, not quite what they say they are, especially when they're made in China. You know how that goes. So anyway, I'm going to test these and see how they do. These are low self-discharge, and so that's the nice thing about it too. When you get these here, regular alkali, you don't know how long they've been sitting around. They do say, oh, they last to 2028, but they keep going down and down and down in voltage. And I did check these. Let's see, these here. See, negative, positive. I got it on 20 volt scale. 964. I might have used one of these a little bit, so one might be a little bit lower. 97. Okay, that's the one I haven't used yet. And this one here is brand new, 96. So this got a little more juice in it. But I like it's like getting a fresh battery from the manufacturer when you charge your own battery. And you can charge these over and over hundreds of times, so hopefully we'll get our money's worth. I got the kit, it was like $22 plus tax, I think. And it came with 4, but they also make one of 2. I thought, for a few bucks more, I'll get the 4-pack. So I went ahead and did that. And pretty easy to do. This battery's been used about 4 hours. And I think it's probably down a little bit. About 4 hours of use. It's down to 9 volts. So it's already dropped quite a bit. I believe when they get down to 8 or 7.8, something like that, to 8 volts, you'll get the little deet from your your pinpointer, just to let you know that the battery needs replaced. Or if it starts acting up, pop another battery in. I always keep one in my spare in my little pouch here, so I always have it in the field. Sometimes you're kind of far away from the car, so you don't want to be too far. You have to go back and get your battery replacement battery. So anyway, I'm going to pop one of these in here. Let's see how much time we get out of it. I'm going to go on a hunt today with some friends at the park. There we go. So we're all set to go. And I'll let you know how that goes. So definitely take a look at these. I'll put the links for all this in when I put this on my channel, so you can see all the info and where I got them from, so you get the correct ones. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, bottom right button, top left, or top right, sorry. Give me a thumbs up. And it's early morning here, so I'm still waking up. So I look forward to talking to you guys. Give me some comments on the bottom. I always appreciate that, some feedback. And it also benefits everybody else who looks at the channel too, so don't be afraid to do that. See you next time. Bye-bye.